Aloha, it's Tani here, and today I'm going to be sharing with you my grandma's recipe on how to make Somen Salad. Somen Salad was heavily influenced by the Asian cuisine with some of Hawaii's own local touch. It's a great dish to make for summer parties or for a side salad. It has a sweet and fresh taste that will keep you coming back for more. Here are the ingredients for this recipe. You can get somen noodles in the Asian aisle at any local grocery store. Fish cake can be bought at the Asian store. First, I'll make the dressing. In a large bowl, add in the oil, Japanese vinegar, sugar, sesame oil, SHOYU, salt, and pepper. Mix it well until the sugar and salt have dissolved. Set it aside. To make the fried eggs, whisk together the eggs in a bowl. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat and melt it in butter. Add the whisked eggs and let it cook for a few minutes before flipping it. Remove the fried egg and cut it into strips. To cook the somen noodles, add the package to a pot of boiling water. Let it cook for about 3 minutes or until it is al dente. Strain and rinse it off with cold water to prevent it from being cooked any longer. Lastly, assemble the salad by adding the cooked somen noodles to a large serving bowl or pan, then add in the dressing. Toss it lightly. Then add in all of the toppings: a head of lettuce, fried eggs, fish cake, ham, and green onions. Serve it immediately or cold and enjoy this onolicious somen salad. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any upcoming recipes. Mahalo!